Hello everyone, today I wanted to make this little guide on the ETS short route intercooler as I haven't seen anyone else make anything about it and just wanted to share some of the key things that have to be done to install it. Here you can see the area that we need to cut out just below the passenger headlight. It was pretty easy for me as I don't have anything in the way such as like bumpers or headlights. So depending on the car, you may have to move some stuff out of the way to get to it. One thing to note is the stock coolant overflow will no longer work, and you may have to cut more than I did. Here you can kind of see the area below where you might need to cut, as the stock radiator is a bit wider than the one I have. And even though I did install it this way, you can go mount it many different ways. Here you can see the bracket I added for sturdiness on the driver's side, and I have the two mounts on the top. Other than that, like I said, you can mount it some other ways than I did. This is just how I went about it, but for the most part that's it, and hope you enjoyed.